We were telling you the story of a diamond necklace that proved fatal for a family in Laksandra. What was surprising for the cops was the fact that even the elderly couple did not want to keep the diamond necklace with them. Uday Singh had, however, decided to sell the necklace. When he decided to do so, he came across several shocking experiences that not only shocked him, but also warned him about the consequences of keeping such a costly necklace at his residence. What were the incidents that Uday Singh encountered? Let's find out.
Uday Singh worked as a manager at the State Bank of Mysore and had retired after serving for more than 20 years. Though Uday Singh retired as a bank manager, he was not so rich that he could afford to buy such a costly necklace. The couple spent their retired life at the rented house in Laksandra. But one thing had turned out to be a big headache for the couple. It was the same diamond necklace that the couple had received as an ancestral gift. Yes, the necklace was an antique piece, and the value of this necklace was so high that someone could not even imagine a price tag on it. As they did not have children and had enough money to lead a happy life, they decided to sell the necklace. Uday Singh had made several attempts to sell the necklace, but what he encountered during such attempts was something unexpected and shocking. Uday had then informed his friends that the antique diamond necklace was for sale. Some of the diamond merchants who heard the news rushed to Singh's house and were interested in buying the jewelry. But when Singh demanded 12 crore rupees for the necklace, the diamond merchants started to negotiate with Uday Singh. This irked him, and after this, he refused to sell them to any such clients who negotiated. It was in 2006 that a diamond merchant had come to meet Uday Singh to purchase the necklace. When the merchant spoke to the couple, shockingly, they were hypnotized. The merchant took away the necklace and fled from the house. Later, Uday Singh woke up to realize that the merchant had made away with the diamond necklace. He was shocked and went to the police seeking for help. The then ACP, Ashok Kumar, investigated the case and successfully nabbed the merchant. The necklace was then returned to Uday Singh. The ACP had also warned Uday Singh not to keep such costly items inside the house, as it was not safe. After this incident, Uday Singh had, however, decided not to sell the necklace to anyone. It had been more than 6 years since the incident took place, and now Uday Singh had once again decided to sell the necklace. He was looking for suitable clients who could purchase the costly necklace. It was during this time that 3 miscreants entered Uday Singh's house posing as if they were diamond merchants who had come to buy the diamond necklace. Little did Uday Singh know that the trio had come to steal it. The trio, who spoke to Uday Singh about the necklace, told him to show the necklace before they made the payment. Uday Singh then brought the diamond necklace from inside the locker and showed the necklace to the trio. Soon after the trio received the necklace, In a shocking move, the trio attacked Uday Singh. They took out the kitchen knives they had brought along and slit Uday Singh's throat. Sushila, who witnessed this shocking scene, was shattered. She was speechless and remained in a state of shock for a while. After a while, with great difficulty, Sushila screamed loudly. The trio then attacked Sushila, but not for long. The dogs, which Sushila had at her residence, sensed trouble to their master and attacked the trio. They became so furious that the trio could not even get out of the house from the front gate of the house. Hence, the trio climbed the terrace and was on the verge of escaping from the backside of the house. When a team of 5 cops surrounded the house and trapped the trio.
One Uday Raj Singh, aged about 61 years, has been murdered in this Laksandra. Around 3:45 to 4 o'clock the incident has happened. He has been stabbed in the neck. His wife has also been stabbed. She is recovering in the hospital. And probably this is a murder for gain. We are examining all aspects. Suspects, people are telling that 3 suspects were there, and how many suspects? And it seems some persons have been nabbed with the help of the public. That we are investigating. We will inquire and let you know.
What about the background of Uday Raj Singh?
Uday Raj Singh is a retired bank manager from State Bank of Mysore, and he had no issues. The husband and wife were staying together in this house.
They were arrested and subjected to interrogation. According to the statement given by the accused trio, theirs was a gang of 7, while 3 of them have been nabbed. 4 others have escaped.
Today around 3:45 there was some commotion inside the house. Dogs were barking. So a local person by name Bharat immediately rushed to the police picket which has been posted near the Mary Immaculate School after that incident of suicide. So immediately our constables, they came here. One constable entered from this side. Very good thing he did, and he could see people jumping off from the terrace. And the other constable by that time only had covered the back lane, and the other 2 constables came in the front and one went from the other side. Immediately they could block the area, and when they chased these 3 boys who were moving suspiciously, there were many boys who were moving suspiciously, then they could overpower 3 people. 3 people were taken into custody with the help, the 2-3 local people also helped them, and after that these people were taken into custody.
2 special police teams from the South Division are looking for the assailants, including the prime culprit. It is also said that the main accused is known to the family. He expressed interest in the diamond necklace and visited Uday several times.
Meanwhile, they had thrown a jewelry box. Whenever people checked the jewelry box, they found that there was some antique, costly jewelry in that. So after that, when they checked the place and checked the questioned them, it is revealed that this couple, this elderly couple, had a antique jewelry. So this jewelry, I think they had put on sale, and many people had been coming to see that. These people, under the pretext of buying that, had come here, and they initially saw the photo. After, they might have asked for to see the original. When they brought it out, at that time they have attacked and taken away, snatched away the box. Meanwhile, there were some dogs here because they have been feeding some local street dogs. So they started barking, and some people had suspicion, so they were taken away. So after that, police intervened and they took away they arrested them. So we are investigating the case. There are others also involved. We will examine all the aspects.
Uday Singh paid with his life for an uncut diamond necklace which is around 200 years old. Sushila Singh is recovering from stab wounds and is out of danger. Sunil, News 9, Bengaluru.